Let's see if it snows a little less in the forest. Yeah, we're staying here over New Year. And this night it came snow and wind. We are in Bäckefors, Dalsland. Nice little place. I have waited for the light to become a little better. And there are 4 trails here, but we have no idea where they go. Blue, yellow, green and red. I'm kind of hoping blue is the shortest one. And I will try that out. Hooah. It's nice forest though. She was so happy. Very confused where we went the day after and came up here to the snow again because there are no snow in Gothenburg. I mean, no one has walked it before me. The story of our life this winter, Aamu. So people go, oh, we can go down here to the trails as well. That's nice. And this is a place people go if they have dogs or animals that are very scared of fireworks. They said 2.5 inches today, but I think it's coming more. So 3 of them go this way, not 1 goes probably around the lake. Exactly, Aamu. Not sure that was a good idea that you jumped. I didn't. I think the road's down there. New place, don't know my bearings yet. Okay, yellow turns there. That probably means yellow is longer. Aamu was so happy when she saw that it was snow here. In Gothenburg it was raining yesterday. And the further towards this we came, the lower the temperature, the more the snow. It almost feels like this is prepared all the way around. Like a ski track or bicycle track. Yeah, Aamu. That was quite a bit uphill again. Yeah, you sink down sometimes as well. I sit down all the time, Aamu. Now my legs are still kind of short after Tiveden and hovet. So this one could be longer, but only if it takes a longer path within the circle. Something larger. Still not that large. A bit older. Yesterday evening perhaps. Okay, I was going to sniff here. Yeah. I understand this because this is in lee of the wind. But it looks like a quite small one. And it's a little old. But I mean, could have moved since it started to snow. I'm going carefully here. Don't know what's underneath. So, yeah. Ooh, there is the road, I think. Yeah, that is the road. Okay, now I know. Now I have located myself. I put the stone here. Guiding stone. No, the trail goes down here, Aamu. It goes down in the ravine, Aamu. Well, it is kind of steep. We were up there. So now we're losing all that elevation we gained. Yeah, it's the uphill that immediately sucks the energy. It doesn't seem like we are turning anywhere. So everything is to the right of us. I mean, there's a limit. We're walking down towards the town. But I think there was snow, Aamu. Yeah, it's deep, Aamu. Trust me, I know. When I said that, it got a little shallower. Now I'm sniffing tracks again. I think it is. This is the road that goes into the ravine. Yeah, because we were up there. I was following a hair track. It looks kind of wet down here. Don't know. Yeah, so the plan being... Oh. That when we get down there, go the roads back. Okay. We got to lose massive amount of elevation right now. We lost all those. Well, that was evil actually. So we were sent down all this elevation just to go up again. I'm really hoping that I'm not being led around this circle, because then I would be angry. I think, Aamu, that this can actually be the outer circle. Yes, it's more and more like rain, Aamu. And not snow. Oh dear. The longer we keep following this one, the more closer to where we were we're gonna be. We lost a lot of elevation very quickly, Aamu. So the trail maker thought we should regain it again. I have to give this trail this. It goes up and down. Quite a lot. And I think in normal circumstances it's actually quite a nice one. Oh God. I am very dubious, Aamu. It doesn't look like we are on the right path now. It has been very nice all the way. Again, really tough walking. I know they're gonna send us down. The problem for me is that I know I'm walking the wrong direction. So I'm not really getting closer down. Yeah, that was a grouse Aamu. Okay, I see a blue return. Here we have blue return, which confirms that this is the westernmost track, perhaps. Yeah, I know. I'd rather stand in this direction than the previous one. No, I am a little prickly because the snow is so much deeper when you get out in these open areas. Yeah, that's the ravine. Yeah, I know. Don't you like it? I don't either, Aamu. This is really cold. But it's this freaking cold out here. I mean, one side of my beard is really froze up immediately now. But right now it's near impossible to see where the trail is. Aamu's going behind me to seek shelter. And I just want to get out of this, because this is not funny at all. Blue down. I'm not following red, because I see where it goes. I see where blue goes as well, so. Because I think the red is actually going longer. The blue seems to be looping around a little. Yeah, that wind up there sucked really every power out of you. It was really cold. It's almost white out. So here comes yellow. Okay, it didn't go up on the actual ridge. That was nice. Yeah. Deep snow downhill is nicer than deep snow uphill. Yeah, here, red, your rejoins. So, what red is doing is going forested area, and up on that hill is the houses. There we are going. Nice. Well, I can safely say no one has walked after me. Yeah, it was a kind of hard one, I must say. In part very enjoyable.